Hey guys, okay, we're going to go from this to that. And I'm going to show you how to do it really simple. Okay guys, let's get into the tutorial of the green screen 101. So the first thing you're going to need to do is videotape yourself in front of a green screen. My screen was bought in Amazon.com, and as you can see, it is perfect for this situation. And the second thing is to make sure that the green screen is well lit. Right? Because everything, even though it's one color, if you have shadows and stuff, that might affect your effect. So, all right, here we go. So let's get into here. Let's open up our PowerDirector. This is the app I use. It does support chroma key. And if you have an Apple and whatever video editing tool that you use, make sure it supports chroma key. So we're going to put a new project here. We're going to call it green screen 1, done, and then we're going to go 16 by 9. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is put that background, whatever is going to be our background, that's the background that's going to be behind us while we're in front of the green screen. Think of it as layers. We're building from the bottom, like a pizza crust, and then we're going to go up as the toppings go higher. So, first thing we're going to do is fill up this spot right here with a video, because I want a video behind. So you're going to tap on, hit the plus, and there it goes, puts it into place. And there we go. So the second thing we're going to do for me, I'm going to hit the crayon. These are all my settings, or my effects that I can change. I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume off on that. Okay, and I hit play, and there we go. So now we're going to put that little video clip that you used, and of course I've already had one too. We're going to put it in the second. So now we're going to go to the papers, the two papers. This is a layer. We don't want to go back to the top one, which is video, because that will just put a video behind, continuous on that top. So we're going to use the layers, and these are called overlays. If I'm correct, we're going to go to video, and then we're going to add this. This is the one I've already done. We're going to play that for a second. Okay, so we're going to tap on that. We are going to also turn down the volume. Okay, and then we're going to move it along here a little bit until I'm started to talk. There we go, right about there. So now I'm going to click on the overlay for the green screen, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the knife, and that will split that video. I'm going to tap on the front, and I'm going to trash can that, and then I'm going to take this and move it to the front. Okay, now we have our background in place, and then let's play and see what that looks like. Okay, so if you're at this point, you're doing great. So now here's my green screen video on PowerDirector, and hopefully on your app you can size it any way you want. And as you can see in the video, I'm about chest high, so you're going to make sure that you want to put that in the bottom somewhere. So now let's do the magic here. So we're going to tap on that, retap, okay, and we're going to go to the crayon, which is the editing tool, and then you're going to see right here chroma key. You're going to hit that. Okay, so we are going to take our eyedropper, we're going to tap that, and then on the screen we are going to pick an area that we want to get rid of that color out of our video. So you're just going to click on here somewhere on the green, and now the computer knows to get rid of all that, whatever is that color, it's going to take off our video. So you hit the blue eyedropper again, and then it disappears. And that is the simplicity of the green screen and how people do it. Now we're going to hit the play button. We're going to see how this looks. Perfect. So I'm a little high there, so you can always tap on your little guy, and then you can move him down like that. And there, now you have green screen. And I can put the volume back. So we'll tap on me, and we'll turn back the volume. And now let's play.
You just need to do a little video.
So guys, thanks for watching. A very simple way to do a green screen, and then look forward to some more videos where I show you I do a little deep diving into the PowerDirector app and how to make a really good video with overlays and text and stuff like that. And then also some tricks that I've learned with the green screen, and I'll add those in the future. So this is the end of part 1, so have a great day.